Welcome back, everybody, to Backyard Cooking with Patrick and Bucket. This week we are back in Florida and we are going to show you guys how to make some stuffed French toast. Thank you everybody for watching this video. I really hope that you try out this recipe because it's really simple and the ingredients are really cheap and it tastes really good. If you like this content, as always, make sure you follow us at UCF Outdoor Adventure and UCF RWC, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.